Hi guys. Today I want to talk about the marketing versus winning product in Shopify dropshipping in 2021 and beyond. I think it's a really controversial question in general in the space, and everybody has their own opinion. And what I would recommend to you, just listen and take the best part, what really makes sense and more relevant to your knowledge, to you right now specifically, and just try to use it as you go. That marketing versus winning product, my opinion, it's not or, it's and. Because why I mean by this specifically right now, right? It can be hard if you just if you'll be able to find some like generic product and just maybe find a specific niche, narrow it down to a specific niche. You can make some money, but again, right now, the difference I see about Shopify dropshipping, it's more about testing fast, and when you get some results, you want to scale and potentially build some brand around, right? This is just like the end goal. I want to just very quickly go. This is definition of marketing. It's I didn't get anywhere. Just like from my head, how I understand the marketing is. It's creating slash testing slash promoting relatable stories on a people problem or beliefs and offering the solution to fill them. Winning product. I'm just talking about specifically that we are for Facebook, IG, TikTok, in general, social media, YouTube, right? Unique products. This is the unique or service that has clear benefit on people problems or beliefs with price between $30 and $150 and cannot be found easily in a big retailers like a Walmart. The couple points like 30, 50, like higher, yes, you can get, but just a little bit different specific. This is, yes, it's like 30, 50, it's impulse buy usually, but right now, like I see a lot of big players, they try to sell some products like $100, $150 just because they have a bigger profit margin, right? Very quickly wanted to go through criterias. Like it's basic, it's not in depth. In the future videos, I'm gonna go in depth, way more in depth. But it has to solve some problem. It has to have some wow effect, and potentially has to be a demand. I'm gonna show you very quickly the marketing examples. Right, I found one interesting website, Velvet Polka. Velvetpolka.com. You'll be, if you want, you can just go and check them out. This is the interesting part what they did it. This camera, if you've been in a space for a while, but the last year it was really popular. Really popular. I know a couple of people personally who scaled those products more than $100,000 per month, and usually people were selling them, for kids, for some backyards, maybe some kind of weird, meaning they've been selling this for everything, like generic, but maybe they just take this product and went to the different country, change the language, whatever. But I never seen that somebody would did something like this, just narrow it down. This is clear marketing. This is clear market. It's not so funny because if you noticed, it's they put this stuff in, but on the trailer when you move, yes, like that, in a trailer when they move, because usually horses, it's like expensive animal, and to take care of them, it's usually, and whatever. And I noticed a couple of times that that like different, like somewhere out of the cities, they have a lot of people who riding, not riding, just driving with those big cows, horses or something, right? And what I would do but I mean in general, right? This is how they position this stuff. That's why they clear right now. You see whom to target. They're gonna target horses. They're gonna target farmers, gardening and all this kind of stuff. And Facebook will start to find the product, the people who are interested in this problem. And honestly, this is the problem, because what I would do in this case, like in an ad, right? I would try to find some clips that just like the horses just fall off, or something like to showcase the problem, because at the end of the day, you think like, I really, maybe I don't need that. But from another, if you're gonna show that the problem, that this can exist and this can happen and this product can solve the problem, it could be a good point. But in general, like I really don't like those different colors. This one, yes, trailers, in the trailers. If you're gonna show the problem that the horses can fall off, or maybe just horse is feeling bad or just get anxious, whatever, freaking out. I think we can just find some clips on a YouTube or whatever. Another point, they don't have reviews, but I think just they are started testing. But in general, I just wanted to show this is clear marketing, right? They just narrow it down to the horses and something, because this product was, completely opposite. a couple year ago or something. This is the same product, the same website, but they did it just to the backyard. To people who has a garden, squirrels. I don't know, like if it's a big issue. I mean, I think it's first of all, it's a really smart way to think about that. How they just put them, see the same clips, just they put different gifs, or like that. It's a crazy one. Honestly, this is the fun stuff. Like, right, this is I would put something like this, and people, oh my god, maybe I really need this stuff. Or like the rat, some like in the restaurants, you can just put it somewhere at night and just see if it rats inside or whatever. I mean, it's a really good product. It's high perceived value for sure. See, like they have 103 reviews. Honestly, it looks like they are been doing something well with this product. $49, you can buy this product for like $10 and $30 margin. Really healthy product margin. But this is my point is that this is the clear marketing product. Yes, it's a good product. Uh, yeah, it's a good product, right? But plus they added the marketing, really, really well marketed. Another situation, if you know that they have a try snow teeth whitening whatever, and they what they did it the same way, the same website. That's why I would recommend to you to go to this product. I mean the website, and just get some inspiration. But what they did it the same thing they did it for the dogs. Honestly, it's funny. It can be like a dumb or stupid, but I'm just telling you. I don't have personal dogs, but my like neighbors, they have, and I see how much they love them. I'm telling you. Also, by the way, I just wanted to add very quickly, just here, I wanted to add some meaning, like beauty, jewelry, etc. This is what I would niches that I would recommend to you guys. Um, Not specifically to stick, but pay attention a little bit more, because it's like evergreen niches, and people spend, they have a bunch of emotion uh, attached to these niches. And I just want to say that these evergreen niches, potentially it can, not easier, but it's easier to sell to those niches. Yes, this is not the hydromate example that it's really clear. It's this bottled water, it's not a wooden product, right? Like you can buy this product everywhere, but they said this ready set go drink, just make you drink better. It's interesting, and this is the marketing again, like it just was created. And who did it, this stuff, I really don't know, but it's a really smart move, and I know this brand is really doing well on Amazon and Facebook and all this Instagram stuff, some stuff. That's why, just if you have a chance, just go hydramateusa.com, and also get inspiration, and and see clearly. It's like and also what I would recommend also, just what I usually do when you go to the websites, try to understand who's this product for. Like who's the real ideal customer. Like, I'm telling you though, the guys will not wear those. Something. If you see clear, it's a for women. What I mean by this, like if you're able to go and find maybe like black, just straight black, and the same thing, just maybe different font, and we'll go how you said black water bottle with um time reminding, something like this. I can be, yes, like that, just but just black, you know. And you can, what I mean by this, what I just wanted to say, for example, this is really good idea to try, and try to sell specifically to the man, right? To the people who go to the fitness, or something like that. But I see clearly it's it's for women. It's for women. I would say 90%, or maybe people LGBTQ, those kind of maybe they could wear this stuff. But also they have a subscription. They just model them. I think the Blend Jet. It's really good stuff. But my point is this is, they just 2 years ago nobody knew about this company, but right now they are, I think, definitely make 100. I mean, not make sell on $100,000 per month for sure. This I gave you the example of marketing, right? Right now I'm gonna show you the winning product example. I did write it down what I did it. I found what's working on Instagram, IG, or something. I went to my Facebook. Like usually I just go and just type some weird stuff, like a perfect gift, free shipping, like pets, dogs, cats, beauty, parent, something, and then just scroll down. Then like you'll see like ads, and this is what the first ad pop up, like love pixel art. I've seen this brand couple whatever maybe like weeks before. This is another ad. This is just simple review. I bought this for the gift for Father's Day. Perfect work my piece to get all my kids in it. My husband loved how therapeutic it was to put together. Totally recommend. What I recommend and what I do all the time, I just go to those feeds. First, when I see the product like this, it's really unique. You cannot go to the Facebook, to the Amazon or Walmart and buy something like this. I went to the AliExpress, just custom Lego pictures or something, found here, couple of them, and looks like the same thing. And cool, we found, right? Then I went to the comments and just started reading the comments. Why Brianna in the background, random lol. So maybe like some women. We can just go to the newest. Uh, okay, let's go to all comments. Um, okay, let's go to the website then. Just I want to see, like I want to see the pattern. I want to see why looking perfect gift for your loved one, no matter what occasion. Okay, like gift for the for friends, for family, whatever. $110 we found for $54, like $50 margin. It's a good stuff. And yeah, it's a good stuff by the way. Um, I don't look right now very quickly, all those details. I just go to the reviews and try to understand why people really bought it. So glad I purchased this one myself and gift. Absolutely love my friend and family making this. I saw this on Instagram ad I thought would be fun to do with my husband since he loves Lego. Okay, people who loves Lego. Design team was great. We just wanted to add small pictures of Poppy. Okay, Poppy. See, cool. Like we can niche it down to Poppy to pets specifically only. And photograph, we tried a few, got one love. Okay, boom. I think it's the same. Yeah. Um, Okay, they have 8 comments. Why I don't see all of them? Most relevant. They hide it. Okay, whatever. My point is, my point is that it's a good product. It's a unique product. We found this on AliExpress, right? Right now, we want to go, for example, like what we think, what we can improve, right? It's a good brand with everything you need. We can just go to the pets only, right? But honestly, so another point, like for pets, and see, honestly, those pictures are amazing. And also finish the prayer, love to spend time with family, you know, um, Instagram feed. Honestly, good product. Like, I would use something like this for myself, even. And what I want to say by this, like that's why we can just go and read those reviews and see what the problem to this, what the market angle we can. Like I said, one it's pets, another one it can relationship, like the husband and wife, or another one teenagers. Honestly, at least a teenager can be really good for TikTok, something like this. Boom, we read through the comments, go to the Amazon reviews, try to understand why the ideal customer for this product. Again, like what I see for myself is definitely unique, pretty. It's the same way turn yellow. If you know this website, turn by yellow, simplify turn by yellow. If you know this website, it's the same kind of thing, and that's why I would just take inspiration from them. See, like grandma and grandson. Boom, we can just go grandma and son. You know, um, and that's it. Then what I would recommend: find the 5 competitors, good websites. For example, like one, it's one, right? The second, it's this one. Um, you can just go to the Lego custom pictures and plus Shopify, and you can see mini fix brick show shop. You can just try to find. Nope. How did I Google custom wall pictures? This is exactly what we have. Mixed styles. This is exactly we have this brand. And also, honestly, what else I would do? I would just go to here, to the I would go to the facebook.com/ad/library and put also something like custom 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 Lego pictures, something like this. That's it. I didn't nope. Custom, how do they call this? Make your own art using bricks. Custom bricks pictures. Not Lego bricks. Okay, no. Um no pictures. Bricks. Okay. Lego. I mean, people who love Lego, brick this now, my Shopify. Citizen brick. Maybe just we're gonna just remove the Shopify and see what's gonna happen. Brick. Okay, see the same thing. Yeah, honestly, this is the same point that people who like this is like turn me yellow. This is the same people who like those stuff. Lego. It's gonna be amazing. And honestly, it's a Lego. It's a huge, huge audience. But let's say we can just niche it down to the parents, niche it down to the niche it pair to the parents, niche it down. Here we go. Custom Etsy. Here we go. Um, yeah, how it works. Boom. Yeah, I think definitely we have some inspiration here. We have one, we have two, we have three. We have three. Is it the same that we have? No. I mean it's similar. Okay. The celebrities. Yeah, this is like Etsy. We can 245. Wow, it's a huge Canva. Got it. But anyway, they have definitely something to inspire. That's why my point is just you have to find five good website competitors and take the best from each of them. Like take some maybe headlines, maybe some pictures you can take from here, take something from reviews here, from here, and overall take inspiration from how they do this stuff. Turn the yellow. Uh, yes, and that's why here the arrow. It's a traffic most of the time. It's a marketing. This is the website. It's a marketing, and this is the cube. It's a product in general, right? And you see that the best way when it worked both, right? It's not only marketing; it's marketing and winning product. If you want me to make the product, if you want me to create the store and test those products myself, how I would do this, just let me know in the comments below. And yeah, I hope you got some value. Have a great and wonderful day. Don't give up. Let's push this forward. Believe me, good things do not come easy. That's why like if you have a right mindset and attitude for this business, because it's not easy. I